Hello everyone and welcome or welcome back. My name is Sandra and I am the arthritic artisan. One of my dogs really likes to sleep in one of my craft rooms, but he has nightmares, and so like right now I can hear him. His legs are moving because he's chasing something, rabbits or kites or the FedEx airplane, who knows. And he sleeps underneath my craft table. He is the sweetest one-eyed dog you will ever meet in your entire life. He is such a good boy and a joy for us to have, and we just love him. All right, so that's not why you're here. I will get on with why you're here. Okay, so today I am so excited to show you how to make a hexagonal wreath. And this is all with Dollar Tree items. Everything in here is Dollar Tree except for this right here. I got this rope on Amazon, but I needed something a little bit smaller. But look at that. Is that not gorgeous? I just love it. I have a friend who hates bows. So here you go. It's kind of a modern, tropical, boho, summertime wreath. All right, let's go. We're going to start by taking a Dollar Tree wire wreath form and some wire cutters. And we're going to cut off the outside 3 rings. We need to leave the bars that attach all the rings together. We don't want to cut those out. That's why we're going and cutting these individually. It takes a little bit of time, but just be patient because this is going to be completely worth it. You'll have to forgive me because my head keeps popping up in this video, and I have edited as much of my gray head popping up out as I possibly could, but there are times that you are going to see my head. Once you get done with that first row, go ahead and remove the second and third rows exactly the same way until what you're left with is the inner circle and the wires sticking out. Once you have all of the other rings removed, just take those wires and straighten them out as best as you can. Once you have everything as straight as possible, we have these leftover wire pieces that we cut out. Do not throw those away. We can use those for another project. I'm going to use them as stems for these little burlap flowers that I make. I will show you a video tutorial on how I make these in the future. It's so easy, it'll make you sick, seriously. All right, we're gonna take some of the Dollar Tree rope. This is the 9.5 foot length, and you're gonna need the whole length. What we're gonna do is simply wrap it around that inner circle, and you're just gonna keep wrapping it around until you have the whole thing covered in this rope. When you reach the end, we're going to simply hot glue that into place, and you're going to have a small length left over. We're going to remove the tape at this point from the end of the rope, add a little bit of hot glue in there just so that it doesn't unravel. Make a small loop and hot glue that, and this is going to become the hanger for your wreath. Once the hot glue has set and dried on that hanging loop, simply cut off the rest of that extra rope that's hanging there. Ignore that sign that's on my table. I was using it as a measuring guide. We're going to take this smaller rope that I got off of Amazon and hot glue it behind the first peg, and then wrap it around from the front to the back. Then you're going to go to the next peg and you're going to go across the front and wrap it around the back. You're going to go to the third peg, go around the back and wrap it around to the front. And you're going to keep this alternating wrapping going around the entire wreath until you run out of peg. I'm going to, just one more time, you're going to go around the front and then loop it around, and the next peg you're going to go around the back and loop it around. And that's going to create a specific design in this hexagonal wreath. Once you've gotten to where you can only wrap it one more time, add some hot glue to the tips and then keep wrapping until you've got everything wrapped with the rope. Once you've reached the end, cut that rope at a 45-degree angle
That way, when we glue it down, it appears to be seamless instead of having that harshly flat cut end piece of a rope poking out. It's gonna just appear seamless. Now, your wreath should look something like this, and you can decorate it any way you want. A friend of mine absolutely hates bows, as I said in the intro, so I'm making this so there are no bows on this wreath at all, and I might just pass this on to her. It turned out so pretty, and I might just keep it for myself. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Maybe I should do a subscriber giveaway. If you think that I should give this away to one of my subscribers, let me know in the comments section below, and we might just have a drawing for that. The colors that I have chosen for this wreath are, as you can see, red, white, and blue. We've got several patriotic holidays throughout the year, so this is really a year-round wreath. I really like these florals together. They just came out so pretty. I would love to know what kind of flowers that you would put on yours once it's done. I do have a Facebook page. Go find us on Facebook and post your pictures if you make one of these. And guess what, y'all? We are done. The only question I have for you is, I have one of these butterflies that came on a pick from Dollar Tree. Should I put it on the wreath or no? Put it on, take it off. Let me know in the comment section below if you like the butterfly or not. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell to get notified about all future videos and projects. And until next time, have a magical day.